In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Prezi password. If you've forgotten your password or just want to create a new one, this process is quick and secure. All you'll need is a web browser and access to the email inbox connected to your Prezi account. I'll walk you through each step and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to prezi.com. Once the page loads, find the Login button in the top right corner and click it. This takes you to Prezi's sign-in page. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the web address in your browser, and consider keeping this tab open so you can easily return after you reset your password. On the login screen, look for the link that says "Forgot your password" or "Reset password." The wording may vary slightly, but it will be right there near the email and password fields. Click that link to move to the password reset form. This is the secure way to start the reset process. Next, enter the email address you used when you created your Prezi account. It's important to type it exactly as you registered it. If you have multiple email addresses, use the one you normally use for Prezi. Watch for typos or extra spaces, and remember that while emails aren't case-sensitive, accurate spelling is key. When you're confident it's correct, submit the form. After you submit, Prezi will send a password reset email to that inbox. Open your email app or website and look for a message from Prezi with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it in your main inbox after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, as well as any filtered tabs like promotions. The reset link is time-sensitive, so open the most recent message when it arrives. In the email, click the reset link. It will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password and confirm it. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use on other sites, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it carefully in both fields, then submit. That's it. You can now return to Prezi and sign in with your new password. If the site prompts you to log in again, use the updated password and you'll be all set.